up here in my favorite place in the mountains. It's the middle of October right now, and the snow is already covering all the peaks around me. It's strange that just a few weeks ago it was also colorful and sunny and dry up here. So I'm out here in the forest behind our house right now, and it's such nice weather. Finally. It's been sunny for a few hours now, and I felt like I just needed to get outside and soak it all up. Because it's gonna be snowing a lot this weekend, and who knows if it'll stick. I haven't been working that much these past couple of days. This always happens when I've been on vacation a few weeks earlier. All my clients are on similar schedules, so it's always like I get a second, smaller vacation out of it. I've been fixing up some old outdoor furniture and repainting them, getting them ready for when spring arrives. And I've been moving around some stuff and reorganizing. I got a new bed, and it's been nice to have some indoor activities while it's been raining outside. So even while I don't get any natural inspiration during the month of October, it's still always the month where I'm most creative. I think when I'm indoors and don't feel like I have anything to do, I challenge myself to get out and do what I can with what I get, even if it's rainy and dark and gray. And it always makes me grow as a photographer, and it's fun to have a challenge every once in a while. While I do wish that summer had lasted just a bit longer, winter has come to stay, and after the rainiest fall in years, I happily welcome it. Winter opens up for so many adventures and activities, and I look forward to it all. While the new snow on the ground literally and figuratively lines up my world, I do believe that we are in charge of our own happiness and fate. When you're walking around waiting for something better to come and you feel that the world around you just looks gray, remember that everything has its own time and that there's still magic all around. You might just have to look somewhere different for it. Wasn't it Einstein that said, "You can go through life as if nothing is a miracle, or as if everything is a miracle"? I try to think about that every single day.